Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop, and today we're going to be doing a trilogy of Dalek customs, but that's because they all come from the same place. Now I could be wrong, I probably am, but I don't think I've ever seen anybody make these before. These are the Daleks from the TV comics. Now, I do not mean the Daleks from the TV21 comics. That is entirely different. These are the Daleks from the TV comics made by Polystyle Publications, which were printed in the 1960s, and they were sort of based loosely on the movie Daleks, but they've got a few sort of small differences to them. So I thought they would be very interesting ones to do. However, the comics themselves are a bit of a continuity nightmare, or a bit of a continuity mess, because the design of the Daleks, or at least the colour scheme of them, changes from comic to comic, sometimes even panel to panel. So I'm going to be sort of taking a little bit of artistic liberty with them, but we are going to do three of them. We're going to do a black sort of Supreme, which I'm going to start with, a red Squadron Leader, I suppose you'd call him, and then the standard blue drones. As I said, they're very, very similar to the movie Daleks, but they are sort of slightly different. So I've got three of the sort of Dead Planet style of Daleks. This is going to be the black one, and then I'm going to do the red one next, and then the blue one, or whichever order I end up getting the parts I need to do them in. But first things first, we're going to start off by painting this Dalek a gloss black. So let's get straight on with that. And here we have the 3 finished Daleks. So obviously 2 of them aren't on the platform because unfortunately there's not enough room for all of them, but I decided just to do the black one on there because you can see the sort of the different details, small details such as the gold arm that I've put on it. Other than that, these are generally, all 3 of them are exactly the same. They're a solid colour, and it's really just the globes that are the only sort of real difference on the back of them. There's not really a huge amount to see. But I am very pleased with them. I'm particularly pleased, I have to say, with the gloss of the black has come out very well, considering that it was painted on. It's very, very smooth. I'm very pleased with that. But the metallic blue, I am really pleased with, because that was literally just a case of mixing some blue paint with some silver acrylic. You know, it was one of those things I really didn't think it was going to work, but it's worked a treat. It took quite a few layers, about, you might have only seen 1 or 2 of them, but it took about sort of 6 to 8 layers, I think. That's average of 7 then, layers to get it to look right, but it has come out absolutely superbly. I really am pleased with it. And it is at this point as well that I will sort of make a little mini announcement, because these are being done as a prelude to my next Doctors series, which is going to be the second Doctors. I'm not going to reveal exactly what's coming as part of this series in future. Some of you might have a few ideas. I've teased a few things on my Instagram, etc. But the very first custom in that series is going to be from a Polystyle comic where these Daleks come from. So, as I said, these are a bit of a prelude to doing that, but there is a second Doctor custom coming very soon. The next couple of weeks I'm going to be starting it, so I am very, very pleased with that. Certainly looking forward to it. The custom itself, at the time you're watching this, might already be finished. At the time I'm recording, I've literally got 1 final bit on it to paint, and then it is done, so that's probably going to be done for me in the next day or so. But yes, at the time you're watching this, it will be finished and ready to go up and ready to be seen. So that brings to a close another live from the workshop. As always, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, favorite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. Make sure the description below for a link to my Patreon. I'm doing my very first figure animation, and you can get involved. There's exclusive content and more to those who do so, and funding my Patreon in any way gets your name at the end of my videos. I salute you all, and I will see you with another video very soon.